Sniper trade of the day in double leverage Google GGLL for August 24th, 2026. 10-minute charts. The orange line is the volume weighted average price. The black box is the daily range from Friday. Sets the high and low conditions. At 2, the blue box is the last 30 minutes of Friday. For reference, yellow was the slight gap down opening. The green box is the opening range 10 minutes. It ran up, it ran down. At 4, we had a 1, 2, 3 entry with a standard risk for Google. It ran up to a maximum favorable excursion at 5. The RL10 and the price rolled over. At 6, we retained 70% of our maximum favorable excursion. That's the green box is what we keep. You compare the green box to the yellow box. That's the size of the risk. You earned $2 for every dollar risked. If you risked $100 in the trade, you made $200. If you risked $1,000, you made $2,000. Keep 70% of your maximum favorable excursion. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital and Owl Group Trading. This is how we do it every single day with no overnight risk. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.